What's going on, guys? How are you? Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. No, but welcome to the channel. If you guys are new here for the first time, I'm actually going to be talking about Bitcoin again. So, especially if you're new to Bitcoin investing, cryptocurrency, any of that, comment below. I want to know, you know, and even then, I want to make a lot more videos on this. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I will talk about them. You know, so what I want to talk about today, you know, I'm driving here, but a couple things. You know, I made that last cryptocurrency video on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all that, and here's the funniest part. You know, I even made a Reddit post on the Ripple forum, and it was just funny. Here's what I'll tell you. Me, you know, if this emoji makes you guys skeptical, if you guys are like, oh, this is sketchy, this guy, I don't know what's going on, why are you covering your face? Those are great questions. And here's what my advice to you. Ask those same questions to the random pages on Reddit and all over the internet that you're reading referring to buying Ripple or buying Ethereum, buying Bitcoin. That is the point of why I hide my face. You know, it's to make you guys really question. And, you know, it's funny how increase your standards of what you think is legit and all that. You know, because it's funny how people will be like, oh, why don't you show your face? You'll ask more questions about that and be skeptical of my page, considering all the stuff I do and what I show, but you're not skeptical of the random pumping on some cryptocurrency or some penny stock or anything like that. So I thought that was interesting, and I encourage you guys, you know, read. If you really want to know why I don't show my face, go to thetradingfraternity.com/FAQ. I explain it all, but this is one of those. It's really to make you guys, again, question what you see as legit, how you even go about investing, because a lot of times, you know, I made this post on Reddit, especially considering, and if you guys hear my last video and the other ones, I don't know if I've posted them yet. I'm going to post a lot more of these Bitcoin videos, but a point, I even said in the last one, I'm pretty sure though, was how it's turning into penny stocks. You know, the communities are turning awful. You know, with cryptocurrency, you're seeing people go from technical analysis to all this other stuff, and it's kind of just a joke in my opinion. Just because you see, you know, and you see the same thing, people buying these low market cap penny stocks, and you're like, oh, this stock's gonna do this, or excuse me, they're talking about the cryptocurrencies. Like, I saw people talk about Ripple going to $1. It's like, if Ripple went to $1, they'd be worth, like, I don't know, $35 billion, which is kind of crazy considering that'd be a larger market cap than Bitcoin. So that's the point that's I want to make, is for you guys to be smart, be careful who you trust. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is kind of, you know, why I'm into this. You know, again, it's a little bit more advanced thing, but the opportunity I see in Bitcoin trading and Ethereum trading and this and that, and quite frankly, just because I'm talking about this, you know, it's something kind of off there. Hopefully you guys just don't try to pick it up and do it. I don't actively, quote unquote, trade Bitcoin. I've been a long-term investor, you know, Ripple, Ethereum, all those. I'm more buy and hold. That explains it, you know. But one thing I do see, and just how I've seen with this last Bitcoin bubble and rally, is there is something to definitely take advantage of as far as it comes to the time delays. You know, trading now, it reminds me of the 1990s in the sense that trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that, it's like delayed. The news takes time to go through. So it's just like in the 1990s, 2000s, where people, you know, the only way to get news was through the newspaper, and stocks would go on these crazy rallies because people would hear about it late and late, but they didn't really have the access to get it. And that's how you see how long it takes for Coinbase and all these other places to fund and verify accounts. That's kind of the opportunity I see in the Bitcoin world. And really what I'm saying is that for some of these more swing trade, I'd say, because again, it's more playing the time delay, I see the opportunity in that as Bitcoin gets bigger and bigger, there becomes more liquidity. There's opportunities to take advantage of just price arbitrage, in the sense of just even the delays in advancement, and you know, as long as it takes people this much time to get in Bitcoin, it's a good opportunity if you're already in on it. So, you know, I'll make a video on how to get exchanges, but at the very least, you know, I think it's always good to have one Bitcoin, one anything. And now that's the next thing, because I'm making this video when Bitcoin is trading in the high 2000s. So who knows where, you know, you might look at this video in a couple months from now and be like, wow, that's so high or so low. But either way, being an all-time high, you know, I say get Bitcoin, but you know, you guys are gonna have a long history with it. Again, I don't see any of this stuff as short-term. I'd find ways to take advantage of it long-term, so you guys are gonna have time to get in on it and do all that. So I guess have no fear when it comes to that. But I guess that's pretty much all I could say with it. Hopefully I'm getting, you know, to the point and straight to it and giving you guys a little insight into why I'm making all this stuff. And again, really the main point with this, I wanted to make you guys be able to see. I've been getting the why you don't show your face a lot, and then even why are you making these Bitcoin videos. So I'll leave it at that. And quite frankly too, if you guys have any questions, please let me know and I'll be glad to answer them. So I'll leave it at that. I'll keep it short and sweet. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay in school.